3 million people are now impacted by extreme winter weather. It's causing misery from coast to coast. Hail and even snow making a rare cameo in the Hollywood Hills and the mountains above Los Angeles.
If that's not wild enough, we have blizzard warnings across Southern California ahead of our next storm system.
Several feet of snow expected to fall at record low elevations in Southern California today.
It's been since I was probably, 8 years old, 9 years old.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so like back in 2010. It's been a long time since we've had snow like this.
Across the country, more than 1 million customers are braving winter storms without power, some in freezing conditions. But winter storm warnings are also now impacting unlikely areas, like parts of Arizona, where high winds and heavy snowfall are making travel treacherous. Even Portland, Oregon is weathering a whiteout and a winter storm warning, making driving potentially disastrous.
Okay, it's not the way that you want to go down that hill.
Southern Wyoming is setting records with more than 30 inches of snowfall. In Nevada, high wind gusts are wreaking havoc along the Las Vegas Strip.
Wow! Well, there's a great example. Holy cow!
The wind and snow making travel hazardous.
Give yourself plenty of time. Just because the speed limit says 55 doesn't mean we can always go 55.
More than 1,700 flights were canceled across the country on Wednesday, with at least 1,000 more grounded today. Schools now canceled in several states, including parts of Minnesota, where the National Guard has been called to help rescue stranded drivers. Amid the record winter conditions, high temperatures are hitting the southeastern states, including a February record-setting 81 degrees in Atlanta on Wednesday.
Numerous high temperature records broken, as well as low temperature records broken,
causing a 100-degree difference in temperatures across the country.